Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm going to show you guys what I just bought, and I'm pretty excited to put onto the car. I bought this Petty's Garage strut tower brace. I must say, so far I'm pretty impressed. The color matches perfectly. It also comes with 6 bolts. Getting ready to install this. I'm probably not going to video putting it on because it's pretty simple. All I have to do is pop those caps off on the strut towers, 3 bolts off on this side, 3 bolts off on this side, put it on, torque it down to 35 foot-pounds, and I should be good to go. Alright, got it installed. Now all I got to do is torque these nuts down. These are 13mm nuts. All you need is a 13mm socket with a sweet ass torque wrench. I'm gonna crank these babies down real quick, and all we'll have to do is put the covers back on it. There's a click. Click. This is probably one of the easiest things I've done to this car. Oh, another click. Super easy to install. Let's check these. I already tightened these ones down. Double check. All right. So now, all we gotta do is pop the little covers back on, and we'll be good to go. Alright, caps are back on, and it is looking good. Pretty excited to take this thing out for a ride, see if it improves the handling. They say it does, I hope it does. Also, one thing I wanted to point out is I've got this new oil filler cap, color matching. Pretty neat, a little pricey, but I like it. Next, I'm gonna have to get some caps for the radiator and the washer fluid to match those. Then I think I'll pretty much be done underneath the hood for eye candy wise. That's one of the reasons I did that strut tower brace. I thought it would look cool, and hopefully it does improve the handling. I personally think the handling on these cars with the super track back is actually pretty good. I mean, I'm not the type of guy that goes flying around corners or riding through the country at 100 miles an hour. But when I do, I like it. I mean, the car to me handles pretty well already. So we'll see if this improves it. Everybody says, oh man, it's such a big difference and blah, blah, blah. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to take it for a ride. Other than that, see you guys in a few minutes. All right, here we are in the car. We're going to take this baby around a few turns. That sign says 35 miles an hour. Yeah, right. Like we're going to take that turn at 35. Unless we got cars in front of us. Luckily here in Ohio, we're graced with roads that are nice and windy out in the country. So far I can say I really like this bar that I installed. Have I felt a huge difference? No, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I do feel a little bit of a difference. The car seems like it sticks to the road a little tighter. That turned pretty good. Yeah, the car feels like it sticks to the road pretty tight, a lot tighter than it did. Like I said before, I always felt that this car actually handled pretty good for its size and weight. I didn't buy this car to go flying around turns or take it to a track and run track days with it. I bought it because it's awesome and I like it. So I added that bar on mainly for the looks, and we're going to take this turn here. Yeah, I can definitely feel a difference. I mean, it's nothing, like I said, it doesn't feel like I just jumped into like an Indy car or something. But it definitely, yeah, you can tell there isn't as much body roll as there was, and I can't say that there was a whole lot of body roll before. I always felt that these cars actually handled pretty good, the ones with the super track backs. I'm not too sure about the ones that are non-super track back. Never driven one before, but I don't know. Other than that, I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, thanks for watching, and if you haven't watched before and you like any of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.